In this video, I'll show you how to verify your Bitget account with KYC in the mobile app. First, open the Bitget app and log in. On the home screen, tap your profile icon in the top corner to open your account menu. Look for Identity Verification, KYC, or Verification, then tap it. Next, choose the verification level available to you. Most users start with basic or individual verification. Select your country or region, then choose your ID type, like passport, driver's license, or national ID. Now enter your personal details exactly as they appear on your ID, such as your full name and date of birth. After that, upload clear photos of your ID. Make sure the image is bright, not blurry, and all corners are visible. Bitget will then ask for a face verification. Follow the prompts to take a selfie or a short video, and keep your face inside the frame. Finally, submit your application. You can check the status in the same verification page, and once it's approved, you'll have higher limits and smoother deposits and withdrawals. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.